Are you a local locksmith looking to dominate the smart lock market in your service area? Smart lock repairs and installations are booming, but most locksmiths are completely missing out on the easiest way to capture these high-paying clients: custom video marketing. Here are the top 3 reasons you need to be using custom smart lock videos to grow your business today. Number 1, zero competition on YouTube. Right now, most of your local competitors are ignoring YouTube. By using our custom professional videos, you are entering a space with practically zero local competition. This means your videos can easily rank on the first page of YouTube for your service area, putting you right in front of customers actively searching for smart lock help. Number 2, total social media takeover. These videos aren't just for YouTube, they are built for maximum reach. You can deploy them across all of your social media accounts: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. And it is the perfect way to build instant trust and authority everywhere your potential customers are spending their time. Number 3, dominating AI and voice search. The way people search is changing. Customers are asking their phones and smart speakers to find local locksmiths. High-quality video content is a massive trust signal for search engines. By utilizing these videos, you dramatically improve your chances of ranking higher and better in modern AI and voice searches. You don't need to hire an expensive production crew to get started. We have done the hard work for you. Head over to smartlockvideos.com right now. You can purchase the exact smart lock videos you need, and we will custom brand them with your company's information. We even offer an optional add-on to upload the optimized videos directly to your YouTube channel for you. Stop leaving money on the table. Go to smartlockvideos.com and start dominating your local smart lock market today.